Nice and lovely, guys. So basically a simple smoothie, which I'm going to give you today. You can make this for breakfast in the morning or whatever you like to make it. Alright, so this is how it's going to be started off. Alright, simple. Get a finger of ripe banana. And I'm just gonna break it up. Put it straight inside of my blender like this. Alright. We're gonna put some blueberry, few blueberry, not too much, inside of it. Some strawberry. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing. This is gonna be a healthy smoothie, and this is only from Chef Ricardo. And the tea. Pinch of cinnamon. Always put cinnamon and a pinch of apple cider vinegar. Just a pinch. You don't want to put too much. Alright, secondly, we're going to put some roasted nuts, almond nuts. Roughly a few. Little bit of oats. So I'm going to pour in it like this from the bag. And next we're going to get some fat-free yogurt, peach. Alright. This is gonna be really nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Really nice. So we're just gonna blend this now for about 3 to 4 seconds. No milk, nothing. Plain. Sorry about the shaking now. The reason why I do it that way, because I'm just shaking it down for it to go down, you know? Nice. Let's see. I want to check and see exactly how this look. Alright? Let's taste it. Really nice. What we're going to do, we're just going to add a little bit of milk inside of it. Alright? Semi-skimmed milk. A little bit. Not too much. Nice. I'm gonna just check it to see now. Really nice. The milk makes it different, but I didn't want to add any milk. But definitely the milk makes it different. Nice. So what we're gonna do now is just pour it out like this. No? Look at that. Beautiful and healthy and nice. So Hopefully you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe and leave a comment in the description box. Got a lot more recipe like this coming, and this is from Chef Ricardo team, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.